DecodableReads.com helps teachers, tutors, and parents create personalized decodable text in seconds. Let me show you how it works. Get started by logging into an account. You can create your account either with a simple email and password or by connecting your Google account. Your account allows you to create your first 10 decodable passages for free. You can customize every passage to meet your students exactly where they are in your structured literacy scope and sequence. Use the checkboxes to include and target the precise skills your students need to practice. Customize the length of each passage to fit your students' needs. In the topic box, you can type any topic you'd like to engage your students in the text, from dinosaurs to soccer to an upcoming field trip. You can also input students' names and ideas for increased personalization. Let me show you what's included with each passage. First, you can see the decodability rating of the passage up above the text. Then you can use the Words That Built Your Story feature to get a word-by-word breakdown of each word in your story and how they fit the different skills that you chose for inclusion. You can also see, of course, the words that follow the target skill that you chose, as well as any stretch words which might be tricky words for your student that were not technically decodable for this given story. Down below on the story itself, you can read and edit the story as much as you'd like. Below the story, you have the option to generate a comprehension quiz for the story, as you see here. And then down at the bottom, you can press the download worksheet button, which will put your story into a PDF format that's student-friendly and printable, where you have the story itself, comprehension quiz if you choose, and then some activities that go along with the story. If you'd like to take a closer look at the example story we created, feel free to pause the video now. For classrooms and tutoring centers, the Classroom tab allows you to provide each of your students with their own personalized reading passage generator. Create classrooms, which are groups of students. Create individual student accounts within each classroom. And differentiate your instruction by choosing the exact skills that you want for each individual student within a given class. Back on the Decodable Reads homepage, you can help students log into their own individual student accounts in order to complete reading practice on their own preferred topics. This is perfect for home practice between sessions or classroom stations. It also really unlocks your students' creativity as they choose their own unique topics to read about. Each story your student generates in their own student account is automatically aligned to the same skills you chose for them on the Classroom Management tab. A Decodable Reads account also now gives you access to the Writing Activity Generator. Here you can create writing activities for your students aligned to the specific topics your students want to write about, different genres of writing, and the same phonics skills that you're practicing in your instruction. Each writing activity comes with a unique prompt for your students to respond to, an optional sentence starter to help them get started, and a skill-aligned word bank for students to use in their composition. If you're interested in engaging the learning readers in your life with personalized decodables, you can create your own account using the Get Started button here on the homepage. Or if you're interested in bringing Decodable Reads to your school or organization, you can use the Get in Touch feature here on the homepage to inquire.